Hi boys and girls, and welcome to another episode of Learn a Skill with me, where each week you have the opportunity to learn a new skill with me. My name is Shanyce Bethel, and for this episode, I will be your host, where you'll be learning a simple bridge. To learn this, you're going to need a yoga mat and comfortable clothing. Ready? Let's go! So today, we're going to learn to do a bridge. What you saw before was the more advanced version. Now we're going to teach you the basic version, which starts with students from 3 to 4 years old. So we start on the floor. Everybody on the floor, please. On your backs, get ready for bridge. While the student is on the floor, their fingertips must be pointed towards their feet. The legs are slightly open to ensure that they are comfortable enough, because again, this is the beginner level. So once they're in this position, the student should then get the instruction, push up into your bridge. Push up into your bridge, ladies. There's a big arch in the lower back, and you want them to use their arms and legs and press into the floor as hard as they can so they can get as high as possible in their bridge. So after you've done your bridge and you've held it for 10 seconds, the next step is to recover. So the recovery simply means getting off of the floor. There are 2 ways we can do this. Down onto the floor, and then we rock and stand all the way up in a stand and stretch position. The second way involves the student coming up off of the floor using only their core and legs. This is the more complex version. Take your time, squeeze and get up. Recover. There we go. Good job, Kaylee. Wasn't that amazing? So let's review the steps. First, lay flat on the floor. Secondly, put your hands and feet on the floor with your fingers pointing towards your toes. Last, push up into your bridge and hold for 10 seconds. Now, some of the careers that we can get into utilizing these skills are: you can become an acrobat or a performer, a dancer, even a dance instructor, or you could be a studio owner, just like me. Now, I want to see what you can do. So ask mom and dad to take a picture or video and send to us via our social media platforms. Remember to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss another episode. Until next time, with Learn a Skill with me, bye!